Hi everyone, this is Ronica. I have a post right above this video on hiring your kids to save money in your taxes, and I have laid out a process on how it works as far as your business getting a deduction and your child does not have to pay any taxes on this money. Now, it has to make sense. You cannot hire your, say, 6-month-old toddler to do your social media. So I just want to point that out, that it has to make sense. Whatever duties or tasks that you hire your child for, it should be age appropriate, plus the compensation should be somewhere near market rate. So for instance, if you want to hire your child, say, to do some filing or social media, then you look to see what a social media person would charge. And then you compensate your child in a similar manner. Also, you have to document what duties your child is performing in your business, as well as you have to compensate your child similar to the type of business that you have. So if you're an LLC, then you may just write a check to the child, and if you're an S corporation, then there is a little more complication with an S corporation because there's some payroll issues that gets involved, but you still save money, and it's still quite a good strategy for you to use. Imagine if you have more than one children that you're able to hire to do just minimal tasks in your business. You know, it's not a full-time job. It's not even a part-time job. This is a way to get a minimum of $12,000 per child out of your business so that you can not pay tax, get a deduction for that amount, and your child does not have to pay tax on that amount. Plus, the great thing about is the money stays in the family. So when you transfer that money to your child's bank account, if the child is under 18, I'm sure that the parents have to manage your account. So you can use that to buy anything that you please. Whether it's save it for college later on when a child gets to 18 years old, or you can use it to pay for camp or any of those kiddie expenses. I don't have children, but I know that people spend a lot of money buying stuff for their kids, whether it's, elementary school tuition. Going to camp is one example. So these are some of the things that you can actually use that money for. Normally, how it works is you pay tax on the money, then you spend that money in your family. So this is one of the ways that you don't pay tax on the money, that your child does not pay tax on the money. You reduce your tax rate. Plus, you teach your child good work ethic at a young age, and before you know it, they may become an entrepreneur making millions or billions of dollars. And so I have a long post up top. Let me know if you have any question on implementation. Send me a message and I can send you a 1-page document on how you basically go through your process with your child based on your age to see what duties they qualify for, how much you're going to pay them, and how you can meet that minimum of $12,000. That's the minimum amount. Well, you can get up to $12,000 tax-free now 2018 going forward, and if you want to add other IRAs and so forth, then that money also increases. So hope you enjoyed the post. If you want that 1-page document, send me and message and take care.